In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns to a Jira table list view. If you've been looking for a way to customize your Jira tables to better suit your project needs, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the list view of your Jira project. This is typically where you can see an overview of your tasks, issues, or any other defined elements within your project. It's important to know where you're working from, as the features we're going to use are specific to this view. So go ahead and get yourself to that list view. Once you're there, your table will be displayed prominently on your screen with your current fields and columns visible. Now, direct your attention to the far left of the table list. Carefully inspect the area right next to the last column that you currently have in view. Here, you should see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to expanding your table's capabilities. Clicking this icon is the first step to adding new fields, which will ultimately become new columns in your list view. Once you hit that plus icon, you'll see a menu or a drop-down listing various fields you can add. These are predefined fields that Jira considers useful. It's a good idea to browse through these options to see if any of them align with what you're hoping to add to your table. This list can include things like priority levels, due dates, assignees, and other parameters that help you manage your project more efficiently. However, if none of these predefined fields meet your requirements, Jira also gives you the flexibility to create your own custom field. This option can be incredibly handy if you have very specific project tracking needs. By selecting the option to create a new field, you can define exactly what kind of data you want to be included in your list view. This can be especially useful for unique project attributes that standard fields may not cover. And once you've made your decision, either choosing from the existing fields or creating a custom one, the column will automatically appear in your list view, ready to use. That's all there is to it. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your Jira interface meets your project management needs. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on enhancing your Jira table list view with additional columns. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enables you to make the most out of your Jira project management. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out or check out more of our tutorials for other helpful tips and tricks. Happy customizing!